In this video, we will explain how to set up the Chatbot feature on our website. This feature enables us to place a Chatbot icon at the bottom right corner of our website, which directly connects our customers to our messenger when clicked. Let's assume I click continue here, and our automated replies will appear. These are preset combinations of replies in the Chatbot. If I click the button, the message will be automatically sent. These reply messages can also be preset in the Chatbot. The same applies to mobile devices, where we have the same icon in the bottom right corner. Clicking it allows us to connect to the closing pilot Chatbot. After clicking the button, our reply flow will appear. Here, we can click Bot Manager and select our fan page. Then, click on Messenger Engagement and Customer Chat plugin. We can click on Flow Builder to create a new chat plugin. We don't need to make any modifications. We simply copy and paste your website link in the domain section. Note that the URL must start with HTTPS. Once the URL is entered, we can provide a reference name for our own use. For example, I'll enter demo. Now, we can click Done and proceed with the individual settings according to our preferences. Here, I can click to expand the settings and give the flow a title for reference. Next, I can enter the content for this flow. The settings made here will be displayed on our website, and customers will receive automated reply messages when they click. The settings for text and buttons can be modified here, or additional content can be added. Once done, we can choose to set up new replies or click Post Back to select from the previously set reply flows. After completing the settings, click Done and then Save in the top right corner. Now, go back to Messenger Engagement and click on the list, and our created reply combination will appear here. We can now upload this plugin to our website. Click on JS Code and copy the provided code. Then, hand it over to your website developer to insert it into your website. If you are using WordPress, you can simply click the WordPress button to download a file. Upload this file directly to your WordPress site. The process does not require any coding. If you are using WordPress, go to your WordPress dashboard and click on Plugins. Then, click on Add New and Upload Plugin. Choose the downloaded plugin file and click Install Now, followed by Activate Plugin. You will see the Easy Embed Chat appear. Now, go to your website's front end, and you will see the messenger icon in the bottom right corner. If you need to modify the content later, click on Action and go to the Bot Flow section to make changes. However, after modifications, you must click Download Plugin again and re-upload it to WordPress or provide the updated JS code to your developer. That concludes the tutorial on setting up the Chatbot on your website.